Hello, I'm Darcy with MD Haney & Company, and I get a lot of questions about how to properly prep an old piece of furniture for painting. I have this awesome old piece that I'm going to paint for a customer, so I thought this could be a great time to do a little video and hopefully answer a lot of those questions. So this piece is awesome. It's old. She found it in her dad's barn. And so you can see, I think you can see from the video that there's like some cool cracking, and it's just a really cool piece. I'm excited to paint on it, but really we need to prep it good. Prep is the key. So I like to use a good degreaser. TSP works really well, but any degreaser will do. Warm soapy water works really good too. I use lots of towels, lots of rags, old t-shirts, old bed sheets, sandpaper. In this case I have 220 grit. I don't need it to be super aggressive like a 60 grit. I just want to knock some of the stuff off. I also have steel wool, and steel wool comes in different levels. This is medium level, so this is good too, just for cleaning up, knocking things off. And gloves. Gloves are good. So really, I just thought I would show you, first of all, how to prep it. So whether you're doing an old piece or a kitchen table or something that maybe has a lot of grease and grime, you're just going to start with your sandpaper. Just scuff it up. In this case, I'm going to do a bit more than scuffing up, but you're just going to rub it good. Scuff it off. You want to take all the loose stuff off. And once you get it sanded or use your steel wool, then you're going to use your degreaser, your warm soapy water. So, I mean, I coat mine really good, and I just scrub it. Just scrub it, and you're going to see yucky. You're going to see all the grime start to come off. So once I sand it, clean it with a degreaser, I'm going to come back with a damp rag, just warm water, and I want to just do one more good wipe over. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll come back and talk about the paint.